Hey everyone, welcome to the tutorial series for the Paint in 3D asset for Unity. In the previous tutorial, we learned how to make an object paintable and then paint decals to it. However, sometimes this doesn't work because the object's mesh isn't suitable for painting. So in this video, I will teach you how to check if a mesh is paintable and how to fix it if it's not. In this scene, I've configured this monster character to be paintable, but when I click and drag on it to paint, nothing appears. To find out what's happening, let's select the game object that has the renderer and go to its paintable mesh component. Inside this component's inspector, you can see the Analyze Mesh button, which you can click to open the Mesh Analysis window. The Mesh Analysis window shows you the UV map of the mesh, which tells the texture where it should apply. As you can see, this mesh has no UV map. To be able to paint it, we must generate a UV map for it. To do this, begin by clicking the Fix button at the top right, which will create a Mesh Fixer asset. Inside this asset, you can enable the Generate UV setting and then click Generate. Once generated, you can click the Analyze New button to see that the mesh has been UV unwrapped and no longer shows any issues. Now you just need to update your object's mesh filter or skinned mesh renderer to use the new mesh. You can either do this manually or by clicking the Swap button inside the Mesh Fixer asset. Now if we enter play mode, you can see the object can be painted. However, you will notice there are some seams in the mesh when we paint. These are caused by gaps in the UV map and will be visible when painting most objects. To fix them, simply enable the Fix Seams setting in the Mesh Fixer asset and click the Generate button again. Now if we enter play mode, you can see the object can be painted and there are no longer any seams. Thanks for watching.